Welcome. If you want to stop Instagram from accessing your photos and videos, you're in the right place. Protecting your privacy is more important than ever, and taking control of app permissions is a simple but powerful step. Here's an easy, step-by-step guide to prevent Instagram from accessing your photos and videos on your device. Start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and their permissions. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps, App Management, or sometimes Application Manager, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, find Instagram in that list. You might need to scroll a bit, but once you spot it, tap to open Instagram's app settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, look for Permissions. This section shows you exactly what Instagram can access on your phone, from your location to your camera, microphone, and of course, your photos and videos. Tap on Permissions, and then find the option labeled Photos and Videos. Or it might just say Files and Media, or Storage, on some devices. Tap on that option. Here's the crucial step. Select Don't Allow or Deny Access for Photos and Videos. By doing this, you're telling your phone not to let Instagram see or use any photos or videos stored on your device. Once you've made this change, Instagram won't be able to access your gallery or camera roll. This means you'll have more control over your privacy, and you can always change this setting back if you want to share a photo or video in the future. Taking a moment to review and update your app permissions is a smart way to keep your personal data secure. Thanks for following along. And remember, small changes like this can make a big difference in protecting your privacy online.